Alright, so our app has four main features, which are data entry, graph view, reminders, and suggestions. To enter data into the app, you hit data entry, which brings you to this page. Click first on activity type and enter the information, in this case work, then the number of hours, and then type in the number of hours, in this case 3. Hit next to close the keyboard, and then submit the data. It will ask you if this is correct. If not, then you click no. If it is correct, then you select yes. Then the app asks you if you would like to enter more data or if you would like to return. In this case, we're going to click no because we do not want to enter more data, and it will bring us back to the home page. Second, we'll take a look at the graph view, which shows us our data in 3 different types of representations. First, we have a pie chart. The pie chart displays the data that we've entered in for today's view. We can also change this to the past year. And then we can switch from the pie chart view to the bar graph. We also have a line graph view which shows you your progress over time. So if we click this third radio button, it brings us to a view of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so the past week, with each of the 3 categories divided into its own line, showing us how many hours we engaged in on each day, and it tracks that activity over time. The third function would be reminders. Here on this page, you can enter a reminder by clicking first the frequency box, entering in how frequently you would like the reminder to occur, in this case every day at noon. And then second, we click the reminder box and enter in the data here, which would be, so the reminder is going to be meditate. Hit next to close that box, and then hit submit. And you'll notice that now under the reminders, the active reminders, we have that every day at noon meditate option. Now to close reminders, you select the rightmost X box on each one in order to close it. So we've selected to close or get rid of the reminder to meditate every day at noon, and we make sure that this is correct, and then select yes. And then second, we're going to delete the reminder number 4, which is every day at 5 p.m. Observe the neighbor's cat with binoculars and update the journal. So select the Xbox, and then select yes to enter the correct. Alright, and then navigate back to the home page. Okay. So the fourth major function of our app is to generate suggestions. So we click on this 4th option here, and then it generates a list of suggestions based off of the data that we've entered and the reminders that we've set. We can get rid of suggestions by clicking the rightmost X. So let's get rid of the first one, and then we'll get rid of number 5 as well. And then we can also generate an entirely new list of suggestions by clicking this big button down here at the bottom. This will create a new list of completely different suggestions, and then we can also view suggestions individually and see a little bit more about them by clicking the eye to the left. We can choose whether or not we'd like to keep this suggestion by clicking yes or no. So for this one, we're going to keep it, and then we'll view this 4th suggestion here, and this one we'll get rid of. So we click no, and it gets rid of that suggestion and generates a new one. And those are all of the 4 main features of the Life Balance app. So now we're going to exit by clicking the big red X at the bottom right and select yes. And that is the end of our simulation.